Hello students, welcome to class 11 physics chapter number 4 motion in a plane. In this video we are going to discuss one of the method for the vector addition, that is the triangle method. Explain triangle method, that is the head to tail method of vector addition. See, vector addition, that means we will be taking two vectors and adding two vectors. Here as you can see, the vectors that are to be added is vector A and vector B. Let us consider two vectors, vector A and vector B, that lie in a plane as shown in figure A. The length of the line segment representing these vectors are proportional to the magnitude of the vectors. To find the sum vector A and vector B, we place vector B so that its tail is at the head of the vector A as shown in figure B. As we have already studied that the length of the arrow shows the magnitude of the vectors, right? So in this vector A and vector B, its length indicates the magnitude of vector A and vector B. It is said as head to tail method because as you can see over here in figure B, this vector and A and vector B are joined. But how they are joined? By taking the tail of vector B to the head of vector A. By taking the tail of vector B to the head of vector A. So it is called as head to tail method. Then we join the tail of vector A to the head of vector B. Then to get the resultant vector, we join this head of vector B to the tail of vector A. This gives us the resultant vector, resultant of the addition of A and B. This line OQ represents a vector R, that is the sum of vectors A and B. Since in this procedure of vector addition, vectors are arranged head to tail, this graphical method is called head to tail method. The two vectors and the resultant form three sides of a triangle. So this method is also known as triangle method of vector addition. Here it is called as head to tail method because one of the vector's head is to coincide with the tail of the other vector, and the free arms, that is the open arms, at that join these two vectors, and that resultant vector is called as the resultant vector of the addition of the two vectors. So here OQ is equals to the resultant vector, which is equals to vector A plus vector B, and as you can see, these three arms, that is vector A plus vector B, forms the resultant vector, vector R. It forms a triangle, so it is called as the triangle method. So students, you may copy down this.